Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we have a haul. Alright, so in a couple of weeks I'll be going on my real vacation down to the beach here in Virginia. It's called Virginia Beach. Sorry. And so I'm starting to pick up a few things, not really wanting to spend a lot. It's supposed to be a no-buy in July because, you know, have a little spending problem. Okay, so we're going to go to the Dollar Tree first and see what we got there. So I figured I could take my new cooler that I just bought, put that pack of ice in it that I've saved, and pack a Snakle box, or put drinks in there maybe, and then my Snakle box will really be for the room, maybe for the drop. We don't know. Whenever we want a snack, we're going to have a Snakle box, okay? So, at the dollar store for the Snakle box, I bought Whales, which is just a form of the goldfish crackers. They're good. I've had them several times. Used to get them all the time for my kids. I saw this, so I had to get it. My Americorn. I bought this for my, I know, I have like 2 of these already, and I need to put those 2 together into one, and I don't know why I picked up another one, but I did, because I need one in my bedroom for when I'm taking off my nail polish. I have regular versus straight acetone. Acetone I use in the craft room to remove dry erasers, wet markers, dry erase markers, all of that off my calendar. I use acetone to get rid of that. You can also use alcohol. I just use this because, you know, whatever, it works. For the Snakle box, oh, nope, not for the Snakle box. I needed these, and this one had the largest amount in there. They're fresh mint. I don't like all those flavors. I want mint. They're sensitive, and they are just plackers. So they had 75 for $1.25. I bought this because I saw somebody haul it, and it'll go in a swap it. So, I think I'm building my inventory of items from stores for swaps next year, because apparently I'm not making it for any swaps this year. Thought I was. We're not. It's just I'm too busy this year. I've got a lot going on, and I was battling depression at one point. You know. So it has shakers in it, and it has cute little strawberry. So that'll go down in the swaps box. For the Snakle box, butter toffee peanuts. Yum, who doesn't love those? $1.25. That was a nice size bag. I got this because last time we went to the beach, no one thought of it, and the kids were dying after their sunburn. So for $1.25, I got the, I got the Pure Aloe Soothing. It worked really well for the kids the last time. So I'll be hooking them up again this year, because we don't think about sunscreen. We don't, what are we doing? And then I bought these because they were $1.25 for 3, and I need some good scrub brushes. And I haven't seen anybody haul these. I don't know if y'all have, but I'll take them. 3 for $1.25. So I picked them up. My total there was $10.68. Not bad. got some needs, some wants, without breaking the bank. Then, at a different store, I spent, oh, I got somebody else's receipt. Somebody got a family set of combs for $1.25. I spent $10.60. Oh, okay. So the pencil tray that's in the school supply section, I got that from my neighbor Jenna because she's a teacher. I got her a Crayola hand sanitizer. Can't see any of that. Okay, and that's it. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. I don't know. I think it's 5. I finally found them. I found the pink and the blue hand sanitizers at the dollar store. This one is whatever that says there, because can't see. Okay, cute. It says coconut praline scented, and as I was walking out, I saw like a I saw a sage, maybe a sagey type of green. It's a new scent. Didn't pick it up, but I'll get it eventually. Then I got this one, the guava nectar scented. Why? Why do I have to pick it up? We don't know. It's a problem. Such a problem. Okay, not really my scent, but okay. Then I found these I've been looking for forever, and they're the marble ones. So they have it in pink, blue, and green. The green is Twilight Dance Scented. That sounds fabulous. Okay, that's a nice light scent. Then we have Mystic Tide Scented. That might go to the beach with me in a couple weeks. That smells good. Okay. Then we have Blossom Dream Scented. That smells good too. They all smell nice and light. So, that was all from the dollar store. A couple of stores I went to. Then, at Walmart, I picked these up because I overeat, and then I get, actually ever since 2020, the end of 2019, early 2020, when I really know that I had COVID, but nobody, my doctor refused that I had it, I've had to take these ever since. It messed up with my stomach. I don't know what it did. I got these for vacation because I think we might have a microwave. I don't know. But I thought, you know, the kids would love that. If it's a rainy night and we're stuck inside, or a rainy day and we're stuck inside, we have s'mores and play hot potato with rags. And I got this because I am craving a Snickers so bad. But it's Snickers, Twix, and Milky Way for like $9. So I spent like $40 at Walmart because I got this nonsense and a pizza and some spray for my popcorn because I have to have pizza and popcorn, and some popsicle, the red, white, and blue popsicle bubblies. And that's it. Short and sweet, trying to do my best to have a no buy July. We're getting close to the end. These were kind of needs. We're going to say they were needs because I need all this stuff for vacation because we're going on the big family vacation. So we'll have everyone from like age 4 to 70, right? All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you have had a wonderful week. I look forward to seeing you again real soon in the living room. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, leave a comment down below. Let me know where you've gone on vacation, what kind of snacks you brought and put in your Snakle box. Did you do a Snakle box? All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.